represents me company woman then, because I don't deal with them. They cut me foot at the age of 10 where I step on the landmines. And if I there today, I feel say nobody not going to ever talk about the war if they not talk about we when are the amputees, because we are the phases of the war. If they don't talk about any other thing, I think say we for be a priority to we country, because nobody no want for be disabled, nobody no want for sick. But if war come where some of we be picking them, where we don't know nothing waiting happen, but yet we pay a price for it. I think so we country for be proud of we. Therefore, no say yes, we are a survivors. We're not just a mere victim of the war, but we are ambassador of peace. So therefore, respect we. We not a beg. We don't want sympathy for the government. We just want we basic rights as any other person in a salon. So let me get that. We know they have to go beg for government. We know they have to go beg minister say, do ya we beg. We already we they ask for now we rights. Recently, we don't lost about 7 or 8 amputees. Because of lack of medical, we not get free medical. In fact, when you get belly, you go to their hospitals. What they say, but you say, you sorry for you say, you go get belly. So because the person don't disable means say enough for born, when I rights for born, so they don't neglect we. They don't talk say we know the parts of the society. So waiting with the top about today, the first thing we want for the Papa government look into na free health care for amputees, war amputees, because we don't suffer a lot during the war. We don't want for suffer again because of medical. We don't want to lose any one of the members there because of the negligence of the government. Let them take we as them. You let them take we as any of them pick them. If not, they don't pick them. They are they tender age them. Where they lost their leg, where they lost their hand, they don't be for treat them so. Not so we fault. For that we lost with foot, not so we go fix, not so we create something, but we don't be at the consequence of everything. We just want for let we be part of them. Let them give we what it belongs to we. Let them not see we like say we are beggars. We not so beggars. Some of we even capable pass the one the way they're going to festival. If you see us, but people that contact me, what's up with the dress? I say, like seriously, because I don't be amputee, I not for dress. No, me not just like any one of una. I don't need for the go and dot see me say because me na amputee. No, I don't accept them. Say me na amputee, nothing no go for change. What him happen na one great disability I get when I cut foot, but I get past many abilities them. Where I feel say if me country and me government give me that opportunity today, I will do better. Maybe past the one they say for they see with talent. So we first appeal to the government. We want to see a free health care for disabled war amputees, both men and women, because we don't suffer a lot. We don't want to suffer again. We don't want to lose anybody. The second thing what we they talk about, we want inclusion in everything whether they do. We don't want to make them take decision for we. If they do something for we, let we be part of the decision making. We don't want for be so that they can't put feed. We know we want for be part of it. We want for go out and feed. We get people that we don't very well educate. They know they get job. When you go in the first way they say we build disabled friendly. Imagine that. So when they even build with our offices, they will not even know say when I get disabled and as part of our community. But when election time come, they want for come here we and give we fake promises and say we they do this. We don't want for hear that. We beg, we want for let we people then get employment. We want disabled people. Don't want for us for let us can give you 10,000, 2,000. Or we want for be part for go fend that 10,000 and let we know what it means for let we fend that. So we secondly we need job employment. We don't want for don't let us can sorry for we say yeah you pass. No matter government where they come where it say they pass. You see beggars them from country three go state house. You put 50,000 you send up at the first fan. We don't want that. We want that for stop. We want for be we own people. We want for be we safe. We want for responsible. We want for them we pick it and see we as responsible parents. We don't want for be beggars. The other thing where we want for talk about now education. When we don't disable, so the only thing, or when we don't be persons with disability, as we already say, we don't want for be the only thing we get for help in our education. We want to get good quality education. I think that's for be the paramount thing for the government. When I recently go America, what my colleague asked me is, what the government don't do for you? How much they give you per month as a disabled person? He said, because now during the war you become a disabled. What did they give you per month? I said, the government don't know about me. They don't know say if I exist. He said, really? I said, yes. So what do we get for tell Papa government? We need education. We want quality education. Let them get to we like how they get to hand, to food, to everything. We all are one. Let them just make sure say for them not say they don't include we. They right now they go around for building new school buildings there. We want for see ramps because they don't forget people the way they use wheelchair, crutches. We don't want for see where picky they go school. It's so discriminating for let picky go school and money. They begin SSA for helper claim. No, we don't want all that. We don't want them sympathy. Then everything where they do, let we be part. Let it at the mindset. We get disabled people there. We get war and PTs there. We get people with disability, war and PTs. We don't want for going to school and they begin to say, we for don't take you, but this building here, we they make sure say with the way they see you know go no, we don't want because then they said they recently I go you building for meeting. They go for begin when I ask for leave. They begin to tell me say now how many steps you get for clay pass they get for popomi and everybody be get for what? Hey, what's it one? So I feel bad. I tell them, I saw when I don't make I don't shame. When I know what it mean for let me can alone man together because them feel say something like hey what's it one so part the guy for say no now the step with the helper for claim. I say what you wanna do today if not because of the meeting in the interest of people with disability. I for don't match out because you building at one of the offices the way they look so now salon. Where be say if for be disabled friendly.